Hey everyone, enjoy the show.
Hey folks, how you doing today? So what we're offering is a 1936 triple caddy miniature Tom Thumb bulk vending machine. Super nice. You rarely see the triples. I mean, this is 3-in-1 on its original caddy, which is cast iron, the caddy, so it spins. So this is just so cute. When you put this like on your island in your kitchen. Now a bulk vending machine, I didn't put any candy in it, but you would put like peanuts in one, maybe M&Ms in another, maybe Good and Plenty's in one, Red Hot. So you would put 3 different bulk items in it. So anything about the size of a peanut works in this. It has all of its original locks and keys. And what we did is we completely disassembled the whole thing. All of the interior here, where all of the product would sit, has all been glass beaded, clear coated. It's as clean as a whistle and ready for you to put your candy, etc. in it. I did it in its original colors. From the factory, it came in black and silver. So when I took it apart, we went back to its original factory colors. All of the decals are very nice here on the globes. They're all original, all nice. The globes are in beautiful condition. When you receive this, I'm going to disassemble it because I would not ship it with the glass in it. So you'll put it together. It's really quite easy, self-explanatory to put it back together. Cast iron base, triple, miniature, 1936 Tom Thumb bulk vending machines. Super nice, just going to look fabulous. I also want to say thank you all for watching our videos. You chime in all the time. We appreciate your wonderful comments. And if you keep watching them, we'll keep doing them. Thank you so much.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're picking, we're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.